I'm Farmer Joe. Can you help me count my animals? One. One cow. Two horses. One, two. Two horses. Three sheep. Two, three. Three sheep. Four pigs. One, two, three, four. Four pigs. One, five two, dogs. Three. Four, five. Five dogs. Six ducks. One, two. Three, four, five, six. Six ducks. One, seven two. Rabbits. Three, four, five, six, seven. Seven rabbits. Eight one, cats. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Eight cats. I let my horse do the thinking. One, nine two, eggs. Three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine chicks. 10 hens. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hens. You've got to number 10. Farmer Joe has a present for you. It's a free game. Enjoy my counting games. Can you catch 2 cows? Can you catch 3 pigs? Can you catch 5 sheep? You have won a blue star. Can you catch 3 dogs? Can you catch 5 horses? You got me! That tickles! Can you catch 3 cows? You have won a green star. Catch 6 hens. Uh-oh! Try again. You got me. Catch 6 chicks. Oops! That tickles. Catch 9 ducks. Uh-oh! Try again. Me. Uh-oh! Try again. Uh-oh! That tickles. Try again. You have won a yellow star. Catch 2 horses. Uh-oh! Try again. Catch 2 cows. Catch 2 pigs. Oops! You have won an orange star.